In the climate adaptation science program, we're required to complete 2 internships, one each summer.
Students are placed in an internship with one of our partner organizations. It could be a government agency or an NGO or another academic institution to really give students an opportunity to see what being a researcher is like in the real world on the ground.
These are 2-part internships, so you go for one summer and get to know people within these agencies and get to build the connections, and then the second summer you return and continue building on those and furthering the collaborations that you start the first year.
So the program does help us to find our internships. It's not something we have to do all on our own. It helps when we know what we want to do a bit more, but the program is very good about helping us finding the best match for our internships. My internship was down in Moab with the Southwestern Research Station of USGS, the United States Geological Society.
Mine is personally with the National Park Service down in Arches National Park near Moab, and I look at how fire impacts water quality. So what is it changing within the water quality, what is not changing, and so on.
My internship was with the U.S. Geological Survey in Moab, doing research on biological soil crusts and looking at carbon and nitrogen.
We've seen students really benefit in learning about the kinds of questions that might be useful to ask for their own research, and also just learning about what these people who are actually involved in the partner organizations, what kind of research information they actually need in designing their questions and implementing their research.
One of the big benefits for doing the internship for me was just being able to build professional connections and collaborations and expanding my existing network of people that I know and have a rapport with.
A lot of graduate students don't get the chance to go outside of the academic world. This was a chance to go work for a federal agency and do things that we don't really do. Like, the work that I was doing was not my field at all, really. It's not what I study, but it was a chance to try new things.
It gave me a unique experience that almost no one gets throughout a master's. Usually it's basically you just take your classes, you do your research, and that's all the experience you get. However, now I've had 2 6 to 8 week outside field internships that I get to put on my resume. I've met a whole slew of people from different government organizations. I've shadowed people to see what different job opportunities are like and had that experience of talking to people and seeing what they like and dislike about their jobs. And so it's been a really interesting way to get outside of academia when during your thesis it can kind of be inclusive to, you only think about academia.